we're going to change the brakes on my 2008 Scion XB 2nd gen edition. Before you change the brakes, what you want to do is come to the motor and take off the brake fluid filler cap. You want to take that off, because once we take the brakes off, we're going to push the caliper back, and it's going to push fluid back into the actual reservoir, and you don't want to break it or bust it. So you want to take it out so it'll push the fluid back up in it without busting it. All right, let's get started. We're going to start by jacking the car up and then taking off the wheel. All right, to take the wheel off, you're going to use a 21mm socket. All right, you take the wheel off. Next, we're going to take off the caliper. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take off the actual caliper. Let's do that first. It is a 14mm socket. We're gonna hang this up out the way. It's got like a little old clothes hanger. All right, so that's out the way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bracket off. It's also a 14mm. You have to move this out of the way. I'm gonna take this top bolt off. I'm gonna slide this right off. This is where the actual brakes go. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the brake pads out, the old ones, snap them out. Now remember that the one with this pin like this, it's gonna go on the bottom. That's the one that actually goes towards the caliper. Okay, so this one is gonna go facing these screws right here, it's gonna face this way, like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out these brackets. It's like little clips. That. You're gonna put the new clips in. These are the new clips. You just sit them in like that and just press them in. And get another one pair. Slide those in the same way. Okay. You gotta get like a little hammer or something and knock them in. Give me a second. Alright, so I got both of them in. All I did was push them in and just take a hammer and knock them in. This is the orientation they go. This little round part goes out. Well, actually, they're both the same, but they only go on one way, to be honest with you. This little angled edge, it goes out this way. Now what I'm going to do is put the brakes in. Alright, so the brakes are going to go in this way. Slide them in like that. Same with the other one. Just like that. Okay, so that part's done. Put the caliper back on. Goes on this way. Let's see, the 2 bolts. Put those in. Make sure the brakes are on good. They're on good. Okay, and we're gonna take this, unhook it. I'm gonna slide them over top of it. Should go, hopefully. Okay, so we're gonna have to twist this down some more. You're gonna have to take this tool right here, put it inside. Well, you have to twist it all the way back in here. And you're gonna put this part on it. This goes on it like this. You're gonna put this inside here. Keep turning it. Let's see. see if it'll go on now. There we go. Okay. So we got that down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put bolts in. Alright, you're gonna need to get a wrench. Alright, so what you gotta do is you get a 17mm box wrench and put it on here. Then you put this on. Okay, and we're gonna do the top one. I'm gonna have to put something in there to get that one. Alright guys, so the 14mm here and in the back, these click off to 65 foot-pounds. And these two bolts here click off to 25 foot-pounds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the tire back on. Alright, we're gonna run them back down in the star pattern. Alright, we're gonna click them off to 75 foot-pounds. that's it. All right, guys. That's how you change the brakes on a Scion XB 2008. It's JOATD, and I'm out.